Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add multiple photos in your Instagram story. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see in the top left your story option, which is associated with your profile picture. Click on it. After clicking it, you can see it will lead you to your gallery. Here you can pick multiple photos or videos, but you cannot pick multiple photos or videos. You can just pick one now. Click on one picture just like this. After clicking it, you can see in the top right 5 icons, but you need to click on the middle one. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see multiple options, but you need to scroll down. After you scroll down, you can see plus icon, which is under hashtag. Click on this. After clicking the plus icon, you can see multiple photos, which means it will show you only your photos. Pick a photo just like I'm picking one. After picking a photo, you can see I have added 2 photos, but you can add more than 2 photos. Just like you need to click on the same button again and click on the same plus icon again. Here you can see it will show you the same site. Click on a photo. You can see I am picking 3 photos. If you want to pick more than 3 photos, you can by doing the same method. Now click on the white icon, which is in the bottom right corner. Click on share and click on done. Guys, here you can see the story shared with multiple photos. This is how can you share multiple photos in Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.